Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that was recently asked in the exams. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe an occasion when you waited a long time for a nice thing. You should say when it happened, what the nice thing was, why you waited for a long time, and explain how you felt about the experience. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So before we jump onto a sample answer that I have created for you all, let's first brainstorm a few ideas together. So for a question like this, you can talk about anything. Maybe like you waited for a house purchase, or maybe you waited for a new job for a long time, or maybe stuff like passport renewal or even your visa approval. You can talk about any such thing for a question like this. So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Patience increases our threshold of tolerance and gives us the foresight to deal with obstacles on our path diplomatically, thereby helping us to achieve our goals. And today, I would like to speak about a time when I waited quite some time to purchase a Samsung tablet. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction as well as clearly conveying to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. So, threshold means the level at which something actually starts to happen. Tolerance is another synonym for saying patience. Foresight means looking at things in advance. Obstacles means problems. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I gifted this technological gadget to my parents on their 40th anniversary, which was in October this year, and had started putting money aside for it from early this year. So, as you all can see, instead of saying Samsung tablet again, we used a synonym by saying technological gadget. Putting aside money means to save money, so we used a phrasal verb to describe the same. So it is actually a good idea to just pause the video and write down the meanings of the words and phrases as I am saying so that next time when you're practicing speaking you can use it in your conversation as well. Alright, so we have answered the first 2 questions, which is when it happened and what the nice thing was. Now the last 2 questions, which are why you waited for a long time and explain how you felt about the experience, still remains. So let's answer that. I had received cash as gift on my birthday in January, and instead of spending the money for my own needs, I had actually saved it so that I could buy this tablet. Additionally, I was checking the price of the particular model on various websites online as well as in different stores to get the best possible deal that would fall in my budget. So, fall in my budget means to be within your budget. Alright, so let's continue. Furthermore, during the Amazon Great Indian Festival, I was fortunate enough to discover that the price of the specific tablet slashed, and combined with other credit card offers, I managed to afford this purchase quite easily. So, fortunate means lucky. Slashed means to fall down drastically or a very sharp decrease. Afford this purchase means to be able to buy this product. So we have given a very good and a relevant elaboration for the third question, which was why you waited for a long time. So now let's answer the last question. Finally, I was on cloud 9 as I was able to gift the tablet to my parents as a token of appreciation for the immense love and blessings as well as express my gratitude towards them. So on cloud 9 means to be extremely happy or to be extremely pleased. So this is an idiom and using idiomatic phrases actually increases our band scores for a lexical resources part. Immense means great or lot of, and gratitude means to be thankful towards someone. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.